Hello and welcome to another exciting video. On today's video, we will be using React to create a static product list that focuses on rendering a list from a dataset without involving state management. Uh, we created the React project using the Vite React template. From there, we went to the project directory, we cd'd in, and we installed the needed dependencies using npm install. After that, we started it by running npm run dev, and we created a folder called components, which lives in the src folder. After that, we created a ProductList.jsx in that component folder and created a constant array named products in the ProductList.jsx component. And we imported the product list into the ProductList.jsx file and added an import statement to the app.jsx file and used the map function to iterate over. Let's walk you through all that here, starting with the ProductList.jsx. I created the components file here. The template kind of creates most of the stuff. So there's 6 different things within the array items. Those are given a unique identifier, which is an important part of the key. You're going to want that unless you want to crank out code like the spaghetti factory. Um, just some attributes here, name, description, price. Next up, we have the product list, which returns the list and product, including the HTML styling. So it's a constant, calling it function, returning it, and this product container just makes it easier for like CSS and styling, which we're really not going to worry about. Adding some HTML elements there, and the product is a variable name or a parameter that represents the current item the loop is looking at. So products.map product, and the key is, as I said, product ID, because it's a unique identifier. You don't want to go with like red or something like that. The class name is going to be product card, and that's going to contain card information. Little filler here, and then you'll see the name, the description, and in bold the price, along with a good old export. So that's product list. Now let's look at app.jsx. This is where the core logic lives. So we really just need the import product list from this. And then anything inside the return statement of app becomes the actual HTML that the user sees. So app is kind of like the main stage, if you will. So we have the function app and then return app followed by my cool store, and then the main component here that you'll see is product list. So you're running that, and then that is about it. And then you're exporting the default app as well. Now let's take a look at how it looks. All right. So you have, as you can see, the cards all laid out, like no CSS whatsoever. Xbox and an apple. You want 40 apples or one Xbox. It's a tough choice. Let's do some testing. So I guess first we'll ensure that the port is correct. So it has to be at the right port, or yeah. Next we will see what happens if we attempt to edit an item in the list. Make sure that it accepts various inputs, we'll say that. So I just changed the name to 1. for Apple, and that updates. That works well. Those fields are working. What if it doesn't have a price? What happens then? That throws an error. So it has to have a price associated with it. Otherwise, you'll get an error, which is a good sign. What about an ID? If we take an ID from toy, just leave it blank, that's also going to throw an error. Uh, what if we just get rid of the entire ID field? Well, it's still there, which is kind of strange. So we would want additional things built in to prevent that from happening. Did I just? Okay, good. Um, Something else we could do is, let's see, what's another one that we could do? See if this accepts different inputs. And I think this will actually work because, did I save it? Oh no, that didn't work actually. So that's good. That means that's working. The price needs to be an actual number. Um, and these are just a few you can do just to make sure that the description can be lowercase, I guess. Droot, see what that it does. Yeah, that the description can be lowercase. It's not case sensitive, but might be something you'd want to consider. And then lastly, what if we just make the ID like ER or something? That should definitely throw an error. Yeah. All right. So those are just a couple like edge cases and test cases that we ran. Uh, Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.